Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello student, good morning. Today in class 12th biology, a last section or last part or last concept of this chapter is infertility. They have inability to produce children in spite their sexual cohabitation. This is unprotected. So here about infertility. It is the inability, means not able to produce children. To produce children in spite of unprotected, means without use of contraceptives. Sexual cohabitation. So such condition is known as infertility. Now, what are the reasons for this fertility? Now, what are the reasons for this infertility among the couples? So, infertility could be, some are physical change, some drugs, some are immunological, some are psychological. So these are the. Now one more reason here, congenital disorder, means the disorder by birth. So here specialized healthcare units, these are known as IVF, in vitro fertility centers, IVF center. So these infertility clinics could have in, first is diagnosis and second is corrective treatment of the some of these disorders. Now, infertility in male and infertility in female. So here the reason for infertility in males. So one condition is oligospermia, means low sperm count, means the number of sperm count is very low. So the condition is known as oligospermia. Second is teratozoospermia, means the structure of sperm are defective, means not in a corrective way. So the condition is known as teratozoospermia. Next is asthenospermia, means low sperm motility, means the movement of sperm is too low. Next is cryptorchidism, means when the testes are not descending scrotum. So the condition is known as cryptorchidism, means The testes will not descend into a scrotal sac. Next is agiospermia, means absence of sperms, means there is a total failure of the spermatogenesis. And next is hyperthermia, means higher temperature in a scrotal sac. So due to higher temperature, the formation of sperm is very low or sometimes absent. Now second is infertility in female. Infertility in females. So in females, due to irregular ovulation, due to no ovulation, means ovum is not produced. It means problem in ovaries. Impaired motility of fallopian tube. Inner lining of fallopian tube have hairs. So the motility of hairs is nil or sometimes very slow. So ovum is not pushed in a fallopian tube. Defective uterine membrane, defects in cervix, defective vaginal growth, and sometimes deficiency of sex hormone, along with blockage of fallopian tubes. So these are the reason of infertility in females. Now, ART, ART, assisted reproductive technologies, means the technique that have assisted or regulated manner. So here four technique. One is test tube baby programs. Next is gamete intrafallopian transfer, GIFT. Next is intracytoplasmic sperm injection, means ICSI, and artificial insemination, means intrauterine insemination, IUI. So here about test tube baby program or IVF, means in vitro fertilization. So dear student, in vitro fertilization, the sperm obtained from male and the ovum takes from female, and both the gametes are fused together in an artificial medium. So that is why this is a in vitro, means artificial medium. So here zygote is formed. Now this zygote transferred, zygote intrafallopian transfer, means this zygote directly with the help of microinjection transferred into fallopian tube. Fallopian tube of surrogate mother. After that, development of baby take place. So next is here IUT, intrauterine transfer, or sometime this zygote directly transfer into uterine membrane or uterine transfer. So this is about test tube baby program. Now gamete intrafallopian transfer. Now here ovum can take from donor female, and this ovum is directly transferred into a fallopian tube. Now here recipient have the capacity, means provide the environment for the fertilization. So here ovum directly transfer into fallopian tube. After that sperm can fertilize the ovum and rest development going on like morula, blastola or blastocyst. Next is intracytoplasmic sperm injection. In this method, with the help of microneedle, sperms injected into a uterus or into a fallopian tube. So, the condition by which sperms are killed is not faced by this technique. So, this is a intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Means sperm directly inject into a fallopian tube or inside a uterus. Next and last is artificial insemination or intrauterine insemination. In this technique, sperm can collected from male, and these sperm can be transferred into vagina or in uterus directly with the help of microneedle or micro injection. So dear student, here these are the technique by which we can produce baby in artificial medium. So this is the about chapter, this one means reproductive health completed today. So dear student, you note down all things in a positive way. It is for you. Thanks for the day.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.